Hello there, it's Alan McGillivray from Alan McGillivray Real Estate in Surfers Paradise. Well, I can tell you the weather's fine up here again, beautiful conditions, beautiful for people coming up holidaying or living here. And of course the schoolies are just about to start now, so they'll enjoy everything that goes up here on the Gold Coast with the weather, the beaches, all the Disneyland and whatever you have. It's all up here, all the theme parks, so you can enjoy yourself and have a wonderful time. Now, as far as real estate, well, real estate's still good buying here on the Gold Coast. Still cheap, a lot cheaper than the interstate, Melbourne and Sydney. So people, I keep saying, it's a good time to be buying here. You can sell your property there in the state, buy up here and have money over. Now, what's better than that? Great, and a great place to be living. Anyway, if you're looking at buying properties or you want to sell properties, let us know. You can go to our webpage, www.alanmcgillivray.com. That's www.alanmcgillivray.com.au. Now, permanent renting, if you're wanting to permanently rent, be in touch with us. We don't handle holiday, permanent rental, and we can give you an idea what you could expect to get for your property if you permanently rented it. And don't forget, if you're on the Gold Coast, call in and say hello. We'd love to see you.